Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out the best portable cordless car vacuum that makes cleaning quick, simple, and efficient wherever you are. This is the J-Zoom V12 Portable Cordless Car Vacuum, designed for mess-free convenience and powerful performance. Let's get started. The J-Zoom V12 Portable Cordless Car Vacuum is built to handle everyday messes with ease. From dust and crumbs to light sand and pet hair, this compact vacuum makes cleaning effortless, whether you're at home, in your car, or even at the office. One of the standout features is its upgraded 18 kilopascal suction power. This strong yet efficient suction allows the J-Zoom V12 to pick up tiny debris from carpets, floor mats, or hard-to-reach corners, saving time and keeping your spaces spotless. To make cleaning in dim areas easier, it includes a green LED light. This clever addition helps illuminate dark crevices, under seats, and tricky corners, so you never miss hidden dirt and dust. Weighing only 1 pound, the J-Zoom V12 is ultra-lightweight and highly portable. Its compact design lets you store it in car door pockets, toolbox drawers, or RV compartments, and its cordless build provides freedom to clean tight spots without restriction. Versatility is another key strength. The vacuum comes with 4 multifunctional accessories for suction, blowing, and inflating. You can easily clean crumbs from upholstery, blow dust from corners, or even inflate swimming rings or balloons, making it an all-in-one tool for home and car care. The rechargeable battery supports up to 35 minutes of continuous use in Eco mode and 17 minutes in Max mode. A full charge takes less than 3 hours with the 15-watt USB Type-C charger, and you can even recharge it directly from your car to stay ready on the go. Emptying the dustbin is simple with the single-touch debris release system. This hands-free design makes maintenance hassle-free, letting you clean and reuse without touching any dirt. The J-Zoom V12 also offers responsive customer support, giving peace of mind if any questions or issues arise after purchase. This reliability adds extra value to a tool you'll use every day. Imagine quickly tidying up crumbs after a road trip, clearing pet hair from car seats, or keeping your home dust-free in just minutes. The J-Zoom V12 Portable Cordless Car Vacuum makes these tasks fast, convenient, and mess-free, improving your daily routine. This vacuum is perfect for busy professionals, car owners, travelers, or anyone who wants a compact and powerful cleaning solution. It's also a thoughtful gift for friends or family who value cleanliness and efficiency. A must-have for every home and car. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more practical gadgets and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!